So I'm just back in the caravan for a minute because I want to just expand on what I'm doing with Starlink there. So as I've gone through, put your dish up, put your router on, plug it all in, and you're good to go. You can connect to the internet. Now what I wanted to show you is how we watch TV in the caravan, because when we were moving house, I've decided to cancel Sky, get rid of it all, because to be honest, we were paying £112 a month because we want Sky Sports and things like that, and it was getting a bit ridiculous. So what I've done is, so I can watch football and whatever we want in the caravan. Right, so we cancelled Sky, but we wanted to watch sports. So we're football fans, so we want to watch football. So the setup I've got now is this. So what I did, I bought an Apple TV box there, and if I just show you this on here, so this is the Apple TV box. Excuse the cables, I've only just set it up recently. Apple TV box, and I bought an app for £5, this app here, which enables you to basically watch, in fact if I just do TV guide, enables you to watch pretty much any channel we want to watch. And then we've got TNT Sports and Sky Sports there, which is what we want to watch. Now with TNT Sports, this gets a bit confusing, and it took me about a month to research this. With TNT Sports, you can watch it via a Discovery Plus app. Let me just double check that's actually what it's called. Yeah, Discovery Plus. So that gives you your TNT Sports. Then for Sky Sports you need NowTV subscription. Of course, Sky own NowTV. I didn't realise this, but what I wanted to do initially was get the Sky TV app on this TV, Avtex, but you can't get it. Now, interesting enough, I spoke to Maxiew, who did a similar sort of TV, or just started one, and he reckoned that Sky Sports would be available on Maxiew TVs in a couple of weeks. Now, I'm pretty sure they were just saying that so that I bought the TV, because there's no way Sky are gonna, like, same with Virgin. Sky and Virgin do not have apps that run on TVs. You have to use their box. So that's just, so if you're looking at an Avtex or a Maxiew or any smart TV, you will not get Sky or Virgin apps. Now SkyGo I can get for the Macbook, which I used to use the Macbook connected via HDMI cable to the TV, but that's an absolute faff. So this way, I pay £36 a month for Sky Sports on NowTV, and with Discovery Plus, so TNT, which was BT Sport, I get it free with my unlimited EE phone contract. So whatever we want to watch, we're pretty much covered with this. Now what I will do is, if I connect this to Starlink network, boom, that's done. Now just briefly, the way this app works is where you've got BBC, BBC Two, what it does, it starts up the apps. So for instance, if I watch Homes Under the Hammer, God help me, if you see, it goes into iPlayer. Now you only need to do that once you've logged in, it's done. So that's playing through Skylink.
This is going to be a real family affair.
And then if I go back, so if you watch, say I want to watch ITV this morning, again, God help me, don't tell anyone. Obviously it starts the ITV X app up.
So much of that was amazing. Don't miss a minute from 10 AM.
So I'll just briefly show you Sky Sports. Or TNT, that'll do. Through Discovery Plus channel.
Stefan Morg, who's on that yellow card, of course.
There you go.
Maybe that's the reason why his number's been called. Musa Toure introduced.
So I'll pause it. That's paused. So that's it. So I connect the Apple TV up wirelessly to the Starlink or the Maxiew router, and we've got all channels that we need. Works well for us. I think the Apple TV is 160 quid. I've got that's Wi-Fi, but you can also connect it via the wire. I got that one just because it was £20 more, and at home I used to connect it into the router via the cable. That's it. So I'm using Starlink, I'm using Apple TV, I've got Avtex TV, and I can watch all the channels via that app that I showed you. I'll put the name of the app in the link in the description. I think it was £6, but it enables you to use a TV guide for all the online TV services. That's pretty much it. If you found this useful, the old thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when I release new videos, which are basically weekly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. This is quality caravan vlogging.